You have probably used tea tree oil for acne or pimples or for your hair. But did anyone tell you it can also clean your lungs, open your breathing, calm your mind, and even boost immunity? Just a few drops at night can literally change how you breathe, sleep, and feel. Let's go over it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Wellness Mindset. If you love natural remedies, lung health, glowing skin, or simple wellness hacks, you're going to love today's video. Tea tree oil is one of those superhero oils that almost nobody uses correctly. Today, I will teach you exactly how to use it for your lungs, your sleep, your skin, and immunity. Now, what are the benefits? But first, why tea tree oil is so powerful. Tea tree oil isn't just a skincare ingredient, it's a full body healer. Here's what makes it special. In simple words, for your lungs, tea tree oil opens up your breathing passage. It reduces irritation and help you breathe easier. It clears your nose, throat, and lungs. It kills bacteria, viruses, and fungus. It calms your nervous system. For your mind, just inhaling it helps your body release endorphins, the feel good chemicals. You feel calmer, lighter, and happier. It improves mood and reduces stress. For your skin, great for acne, texture, dullness, and inflammation. And finally, it gives your skin a clean, fresh glow. That's why I call it a happy lungs, happy skin, and happy mind oil. For toenail fungus, tea tree oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral, perfect for infected nails. Basically, one oil, many benefits. Now, how to use the tea tree oil? Method 1, diffuser, best for lungs and mood. Add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil to your home diffuser. Let the steam fill your room. You will experience better breathing, calmer mind, cleaner air, and a relaxing sleep. Method number 2, tissue paper hack. It's fast and easy, and my favorite. Take a simple tissue, add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Keep it next to your bed. Gently inhale while sleeping. This helps with anyone who has snoring issues, blocked nose, throat irritation, and anxiety before sleeping. It makes you fall asleep faster and wake up lighter. Method number 3, steam inhalation for lungs plus skin glow. Perfect if you want clear lungs and glowing skin. Boil water, add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Cover your head with a towel. Inhale the steam for 5 minutes. What are the benefits of doing this? It opens up your lungs instantly, clears sinuses, purifies skin, reduces acne and marks, and gives a spa-like glow. This is a 2-in-1 beauty plus lung detox hack. Method number 4, for toenail fungus. Now, if you have fungal nails, apply 1 drop of tea tree oil directly to the nail. Repeat daily. This is one of the few natural remedies that actually works. But remember, here's a safety tip, most important. Tea tree oil is very strong. So remember, don't drink it. Don't put it directly on skin without mixing, unless it's the infected nail. Be very careful. Don't use more than 2 to 5 drops at a time. Keep away from kids and always buy good quality tea tree oil, not the cheap artificial ones. So finally, tea tree oil helps with lungs and breathing, nose and throat health, better sleep, stress relief. It gives you clear, glowing skin, helps with toenail fungus, and immunity boost. One oil and so many benefits. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs better lungs, better skin, or better sleep. Subscribe for more natural wellness tips that actually work. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.